Let's go.
Last time we were here, it was running.
Ish.
Yeah, we called it running.
Yeah.
What didn't it? It had no compression, eh? Was it lack of compression?
Lack of compression.
So what do you mean by lack of? Tell that story.
So we did some wiring on it.
Yeah.
Because it was running rough.
Yeah.
It was running rough. And
Because just so everyone knows, the wiring
Yeah.
we did on that last video was bodgy to get it going.
yeah, oh yeah.
Before
yeah.
it gets wired. That
It was-
wasn't. That's not that's not the normal
That's not the
work
standards.
ethic that we're
Yeah.
going to do. Standard. That's the one. That's not the standard. Yeah, yeah. So carry on.
Yeah, so we did a whole lot of wiring, tested injectors, tested spark, tested everything really.
Yeah.
Pulled the loom out, found heaps of broken wires and just real dodgy stuff. Fixed all that up, tidied it up, got it running. It was about 12:30 at night.
Yeah. This is over New Year's, eh?
Yeah,
Pretty much.
between Christmas
Yeah,
and New
yeah.
Year's.
Mark came down. Mark lives about 3 hours away.
Yeah.
So him and his family came down for sort of the Christmas break, and the boys went out to the shed and started talking.
Yeah, and fired it up. It was still running rough. It was running on one rotor.
Yeah.
So we done another compression test.
Yeah.
Still really low on the back. Thought a bit of heat. A few heat cycles might have freed it up.
Yeah.
Didn't.
Because there's an
And-
unknown motor, isn't it? Like,
Yeah,
there's no,
yeah.
You don't know how long it's sat for, you don't know if it's been rebuilt, just nothing.
Yeah,
No
exactly.
idea.
It was like there's an engine in it.
Yeah, yeah. It doesn't match, but it
Yeah.
kind of could.
Yeah. And then we stood around and looked at it for a while, and I was a bit sad. And then thought, well, I've got an engine crane.
Yep.
Got the tools. Boys are here.
Yep.
So out came the engine.
Yep.
Stripped it down, took it to another mate's house the next day,
Yep.
and found it had a stuck apex seal.
Okay.
Bit of corrosion in there, it was stuck in, and two side seals were stuck as well
Yep.
on the same corner.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, stripped it down, rebuilt the engine, re-clearanced everything. Most of the parts were new,
Yep.
which was nice.
Oh,
It
so
was-
it's been rebuilt and then probably not gone.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
been
yeah.
rebuilt and just sat. Yeah, and we just put it back together, kept everything original stock inside the engine.
Yep.
Yeah, brought the motor home, threw it in that night, and started it up the next morning.
Yep.
And now it runs nice.
And we've got a video of that. We'll cut to that now. Joyce. What are we doing today, Lance?
We're going to give it some brakes, and then we're going to take it for a drive around the block.
Yay.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about this.
All going well. Yeah, it has come in and out of the shed a couple of times on its own power.
Okay, cool. Yep.
But the clutch is really on and off.
Oh.
And yeah, it's a bit scary when you've got a solid steel bench in front of it and you've got only a handbrake. So
Yeah.
with somewhat rusty discs as well from sitting. So
Okay, so what's our first step?
jack it up, wheels off, calipers out, and I should have the air compressor going so it'll be noisy, but we'll pop some pistons. We've got new seal kits here, new pins and springs, seal kits for the calipers. Both just doing the front, the back's working fine,
Okay, cool.
and new pads to go in as well, because I don't believe in putting second-hand brake pads in anything.
It doesn't make sense.
No.
That's the standards we discussed earlier.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
we're keen to get shit working, but we're not keen to kill ourselves.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Well, let's hit it. I think there's time for like, what's it called? Music montage time, I reckon. spent more time in this seat than you have.
I think you have. Do you want to give it some bumps?
Yeah, that's
Soft as?
Eh?
Is it real soft?
Yeah.
Yes. Fuck, nothing coming out.
nice.
Pump her up.
Oh, they're nice and hard.
No, nothing at all's coming out yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
no fluid, nothing. Just started bleeding.
There's no pressure in that at all, bro.
Are you pumping it right straight to the floor
Yeah,
each time?
yeah.
Alright, take your foot off.
How much fluid's in the reservoir?
Top foot up to the very top.
Yeah,
Right.
no, it's still full.
Push it right down. Now off.
She not moving.
Down.
eh?
Off. Down.
You can hear the piston go
Off.
back and forth and nothing's moving, eh?
Down.
Fucking slow.
Off.
So it's a slave cylinder, bro.
Just yet. Give him 5 minutes and hopefully they'll be the same as familiar or something like that, or like a power.
Sometimes, yeah, you never know, eh? Like changeable parts.
Yeah.
But what we
Especially-
can do is push you out the street to do skids.
We'll just chuck the block under the front wheel once you get the wheel
Yeah,
off.
yeah,
We'll
fuck
push you back as fast as we can.
Yeah,
And then
roll
pop the
back.
clutch, and then when you get to the stop point, we'll chuck
Yeah.
the block under the front
Yeah,
wheel.
yeah.
What could possibly go wrong? I love this.
Like a front wheel. Like,
How good. The theory was if we put some vacuum through it, it might start working. It didn't.
no, nothing's changing. No fluid change.
Next, we removed the master cylinder. It was full of crud, so we're going to blow it out, clean it out, and see if we can get it to work.
Is there a pedal?
Yeah. Is it leading through?
Oh,
check the reservoir.
Yep.
Sweet.
Yep.
That's good.
There's bubbles.
Brake lights work. Hey,
Battery will probably be too
that
quick.
doesn't sound good at all.
No, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Hold it down.
Yeah, right.
Nothing.
It's going to the floor.
Yep.
It was getting late and we all had work in the morning, so we decided to call it a night. Okay, I'm ready when you're ready, bro.
Cool, man. Pump her up.
Going down.
Got it down?
It's down. It's to the floor.
Oh, it's still a stiff nipple. Alright, pump her up.
Oh, it went straight to the floor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Strange. Oh,
Oh, now it went to the floor. Sorry, I was wrong.
alright, pump her up.
Holding.
I've had no air come out of that yet at all.
That's positive.
Check the fluid. You're up. Alright, pump it.
Holding.
Reminds me of that time in Hamilton.
There we go. Okay.
A bit of wire of sorts.
Good boy.
My shed is once again fixed up.
Wednesday? Yep, nice. Or you need to make a hole?
Make a hook.
Oh, yep.
No work.
Yeah, I get you.
Just so I can hop it up high. Alright then, pump her up.
Make sure you got the right pedal away. I get confused. That's a clutch. Wait a minute. One. There we go. Yep.
Yep, go again.
Bop, 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 bop. Yep, good. Sorry. I'm busy bop, bop, bopping.
Yep, yeah.
Yep.
Yep, still right push. That's going to be the worst thing, eh?
Yeah, I've done that so many times. Yep.
Maybe this nipple's a bit what?
But nipply.
Is it coming down?
Nah.
Go again.
Holding.
Again.
Holding.
Well, that moved a bit more that time.
Cool.
Again.
Holding.
Yeah.
Holding.
Those intercooler pipes may or may not hold up. We'll take spare hose clamps.
Well,
I don't think we'll go far, but yeah.
I don't think we should go far. To
Alright
to,
then.
to channel Ash from Misfire, just take it easy, bro. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, pump her up.
Yep.
Yeah, go again.
Yep.
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 Again.
Yep.
Alright, pump it.
You gotta open it. Did you just close it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Is there heaps there?
There's not heaps there, but I can feel it when you close it.
Yeah. The brakes are trying to do something.
Yeah.
Like
That
they're
side-
moving and everything.
That side felt way better than the other side.
Feels better from doing it.
No. As in you doing that, I could feel the difference. Whereas on the other side, I couldn't tell.
So how does that feel?
Not flash.
Not flash.
Feels like there's something there. It doesn't feel like I'm getting a lot of action until a long way down the pedal. But same as it was before. But is that just what it is without the booster on?
Potentially.
It doesn't have pedal until 3/4 of the way down.
Yeah.
Why don't you
Well, it should be a lot higher up than that, but
why don't you pop a wheel on and spin it by hand and see if I can break it?
might be able to do that.
Know what I mean?
Tighten these right up.
Was
Yeah,
that?
man.
Eh?
Yeah, try that.
Brake?
Yep.
Braking?
Let's brake on.
Yeah, full on. Stopping?
Yeah. Hold it down.
Down.
it bites for a second, it stops.
Oh really?
Yeah,
What does
I
that mean?
think that master needs
Needs the love, eh?
some love. Yeah, I might just get a rebuild kit for the master, right?
Yep. Shall we pause once more?
I think we can still take it around the block.
Wait till it's got brakes, Lance.
It's got brakes.
No.